Madalovich.
Ito talaga, nagpapatawa kayo.
Sorry, bossing. 9 ball down.
Wu Cha-Ching gets on the board here at our first featured match of the day. Joven Bustamante 4, Wu Cha-Ching 1.
Eh, di ba totoo naman, Madalovich yun, di ba? Pero they pronounce it in, Russia ba siya?
Serbia.
Serbia, Madalovich.
Stojakovic.
So, pag pumunta nga si Bossing dun sa Serbia,
Bitch Soda.
Hi, Bossing. How are you? We miss your play in pool. Vic Soto is a good player.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should see him play. Anyway, Wu Cha-Ching right now, sumagot din.
Yeah.
Dahil sa bank shot na yan. Kitang-kita po. Ito sa very good approach niya. Hindi niya sinagad yung lakas para if ever nga papuntang side, hindi siya i-scratch. Napakaganda ng diskarte nito. Dead center, 9 ball down.
Wu Cha-Ching now rallying against Joven Bustamante. The count is 2 racks to 4 in favor of Bustamante. However, Wu Cha-Ching up to break.
Partner, yung sinabi ko kanina yung about the 8, alam niya papunta yung cue ball sa side pocket. He is also the speed, kinontrol niya speed. If ever dun nga mag-align, hindi aabot na papascratch. Napakagaling itong bata. So, you'll see a lot of titles na mag-grab itong batang to. And of course, we would love to see Joven Bustamante prove himself as one of the world-class players by, to put that cue ball closer to the 9. Remember, an easy 9 is an easy rack made. 9 ball down. Filipino fans.
Bustamante cheered on by the crowd here at the Coliseum as he moves further away from Wu Cha-Ching. Now leads 6 racks to 3.
Partner, it would be nice to have Bustamante finals.
Oh, that would be bust the bust. Then we could say bust the bust properly.
Ayan po yung run out. Parang sarap. Inubos na po. May bagong idol na tayo, Mr. Suave. Mukhang kinuha yung title sa'yo, idol.
Hindi naman ako, Mr. Suave.
What do they call you, Apple? Look at the line for the 9. 9 ball down.
Joven Bustamante on the hill.
Palakpakan mga Filipino fans.
And of course, the crowd in the Coliseum goes wild. He is gonna be breaking for the match. I think that's the important part here.
And everybody knows itong number 1 ng Chinese Taipei. Wu right now is not playing with the number 1, but the underdog talaga ang nakita ni Joven ang posisyon.
That's right. We've seen a lot of giants gotten slayed in the past couple of days. We saw Efren Baterreyes go down, Ronnie Alcano go down, Earl the Pearl Strickland go down. And we've seen a lot of big guns.
Tanong nga kung anong ginagamit niya. Hindi tumatapyok eh. 9 ball in.
The battle continues as Wu Cha-Ching takes the rack and trails Joven Bustamante 8 racks to 9. However, with this format, Wu Cha-Ching will be back to break the next rack. This is a close one. This is a classic matchup.
The opportunity was there given to Joven Bustamante to win this match. With that combination missed, he should have took more TV time pala. Parang it's not bad naman to take that more time. Kasi di ba madali eh. He made it look so easy. Yeah, he rushed. Maybe perfect hit. Hindi siya kinabahan sa possible scratch, and this one gives him the rack.
Joven Bustamante winning. The crowd of the Araneta Coliseum erupts as he advances to the Sweet 16, defeating a former world champion in Wu Cha-Ching. Welcome, Ricardo. Keep it locked here on Studio 23 for more of the 2007 Philippines World Pool Championship.